Write 3 HR metrics in 2 minutes: labor productivity, labor turnover, and absenteeism. Kettle off. Focus on the numbers, because, here we go. Productivity is simply output per worker. Not how fast they sprint to the kettle, how much they actually produce. Okay, time for the formula, which is simply the output in the period divided by number of employees. 12,000 units with 60 staff. That's 200 units per employee. Nice. Better training, clearer processes, or the new tech could all be behind that. Turnover next. And no, not the pastry kind. This is how many people leave. The formula for this is simply the number of staff leavers in a period over the average number of employees, times 100. 18 leavers from an average of 300 gives 6%. This sounds fine, but compare to others in the same industry, because call centers and consulting won't have the same normal. Absenteeism shows time lost to absence. If it spikes, productivity and customer experience usually wobble. The formula for this is staff days lost divided by total possible staff days, times 100. 240 days lost out of 3,000 is 8%. So, solutions? Tackle workload, well-being, and motivation. Pizza Fridays are optional. So let's link the concepts together for stronger analysis. High labor turnover and absenteeism usually drag labor productivity down and costs up. In your exams, be sure to calculate accurately, compare trends to rivals, then say exactly what HR should do, and why. Remember to visit teachingbusiness.org.uk for worksheets and case materials to help strengthen your exam technique further.